To the surprise of a lot of fans, the PlayStation Network went down on Wednesday evening for most players. However, this outage isn't a total blackout, and many fans are still able to log in with no problems. With one big catch. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. It all began at night when users began reporting problems playing games online on PlayStation 5 on Down Detector, and over 12,000 reports were received right after. Ironically, PlayStation's official network status website has all of its online systems displayed as all services are up and running, and it hasn't made any announcements or updates regarding this widespread outage anywhere. Men's journals also confirm that the online systems appear to be working at first, and users can log into their accounts, but at least some online games can be played. When attempting to play a game online, an error message pops up that read, "Our online services aren't available right now. They might be temporarily busy. Please try again later." Over on Reddit, users are sharing their experiences with the outage in a thread post. Some users are reporting that the outage isn't just within the United States, but is also affecting other countries. Some users said they're in Brazil and cannot access any online services. Other users are reporting that they can play games fine, so the outage spans unclear until PlayStation makes an announcement. Only then we'll know what was the official reason areas affected or how long the PlayStation Network may be down. But at around 1.5 hours later, the services began running again on the PlayStation Network. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.